Foods that increase melanin and reverse gray hair naturally. Are you spending hundreds of dollars on hair dye every few months trying to cover up those gray hairs that keep multiplying? What if specific foods could actually help your body produce more melanin, the pigment that gives your hair its natural color, and potentially reverse premature graying from the inside out? Most people don't realize that gray hair isn't always about genetics or aging. Your diet plays a massive role in whether your hair stays pigmented or turns gray early. Your melanocytes, the cells that produce hair color, need specific nutrients to function properly, and when you're deficient, they shut down and your hair loses its color. Today, I'm revealing the exact gray hair reversal foods that boost melanin production and can help reverse premature graying naturally, backed by scientific research. Stick around until the end, because I'll share the one food mistake that's actually destroying your melanin production. Here's what most people don't know about copper-rich foods and their critical role in melanin production for hair pigmentation. Foods that increase melanin and can reverse gray hair naturally must contain copper because this trace mineral is essential for the enzyme tyrosinase, which converts the amino acid tyrosine into melanin. Research from the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology shows that copper deficiency directly causes premature graying by impairing melanin synthesis in hair follicles. The mechanism involves tyrosinase being a copper-dependent enzyme, meaning it cannot function without adequate copper present. Studies reveal that when copper levels drop too low, tyrosinase activity decreases dramatically, melanin production stops, and new hair grows in gray or white instead of your natural color. Think about trying to start a car without a battery. That's essentially what happens to melanin production without copper. Clinical research has demonstrated remarkable connections between copper status and hair pigmentation. According to studies published in dermatology journals, patients with documented copper deficiency and premature graying who received copper supplementation experienced partial restoration of natural hair color in new growth within 4 to 6 months. The gray hair already on their heads didn't change, but new hair came in with improved pigmentation. Think about those frustrating moments when you notice more and more silver strands appearing despite eating what you think is a healthy diet. You might be missing these crucial copper-rich foods that your melanocytes desperately need. Research from multiple universities demonstrates that modern diets often lack adequate copper because we don't consume enough of the traditional foods our ancestors ate that are naturally rich in this mineral. The best food sources of copper for melanin production include shellfish, particularly oysters, which contain more copper per serving than almost any other food. Studies show that just 3 ounces of cooked oysters provides over 400% of your daily copper needs. If you're not a fan of oysters, other excellent sources include crab, lobster, and mussels, which all deliver substantial copper along with other nutrients that support hair health. Organ meats, especially beef liver and kidney, are extraordinarily rich in copper. Research demonstrates that 1 serving of beef liver contains approximately 14 milligrams of copper, far exceeding daily requirements. While organ meats aren't popular in modern Western diets, they were dietary staples for our ancestors who rarely experienced premature graying at the rates we see today. Nuts and seeds provide plant-based copper sources that are easy to incorporate daily. Studies show that cashews, sunflower seeds, almonds, and hazelnuts all contain significant copper. Just 1 ounce of cashews provides about 70% of your daily copper requirement. Dark chocolate is a delicious copper source that provides approximately 50% of daily copper needs along with antioxidants that protect melanocytes from oxidative damage. The second critical category of foods that increase melanin involves those rich in tyrosine, the amino acid building block that gets converted into melanin by the copper-dependent enzyme tyrosinase. Research from nutritional biochemistry shows that without adequate tyrosine, your melanocytes cannot produce melanin even if you have plenty of copper and all the cofactors needed for the synthesis pathway. The mechanism involves tyrosine being the direct precursor to melanin production through a series of enzymatic reactions. Studies reveal that tyrosine gets hydroxylated to form L-DOPA, which then gets converted through additional steps into the melanin pigments eumelanin and pheomelanin that color your hair. When tyrosine intake is insufficient, this entire pathway slows down and hair pigmentation suffers. Think about how your body is constantly producing new hair cells and melanocytes are working hard to pigment each strand as it grows. Research demonstrates that this process requires a steady supply of tyrosine to maintain melanin production at levels sufficient to keep your hair colored. When you don't consume enough tyrosine-rich foods, melanin synthesis cannot keep pace with hair growth, and you start seeing those dreaded gray strands multiply. Clinical studies have shown connections between protein intake, tyrosine availability, and hair pigmentation. According to research, people who consumed inadequate protein often experienced not only hair thinning, but also premature loss of pigmentation as their bodies couldn't produce sufficient tyrosine for both structural proteins and melanin synthesis. The best food sources of tyrosine for melanin production include high-quality animal proteins that provide complete amino acid profiles. Studies show that chicken breast, turkey, lean beef, fish, and eggs all deliver substantial tyrosine along with other essential amino acids your body needs. A typical chicken breast contains approximately 1.5 grams of tyrosine, which significantly supports melanin production. Dairy products are excellent tyrosine sources that many people overlook. Research demonstrates that cheese, particularly Parmesan and mozzarella, provides concentrated tyrosine along with calcium and B vitamins that support hair health. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are also high in tyrosine while providing probiotics that may support nutrient absorption. Soy products, including tofu, tempeh, and edamame, offer plant-based tyrosine for vegetarians and vegans. Studies show that soy products contain all essential amino acids, including substantial tyrosine, making them complete protein sources comparable to animal products for supporting melanin synthesis. 1 cup of cooked edamame provides approximately 1.2 grams of tyrosine. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, provides tyrosine along with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in hair follicles and protect melanocytes from oxidative damage. Research reveals that the combination of tyrosine and anti-inflammatory omega-3s makes fish particularly beneficial for maintaining hair pigmentation while supporting overall scalp health. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you understand foods that increase melanin better, type "great" in the comments or "improve" if it doesn't. And if you're serious about reversing gray hair naturally, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. The third essential category involves foods rich in B vitamins that support melanocyte function and DNA synthesis in these rapidly dividing pigment-producing cells. Research from Dermatological Science shows that vitamin B12, folate, and biotin all play crucial roles in maintaining healthy melanin production and preventing premature graying. The mechanism involves B vitamins being essential for DNA synthesis and cell division in melanocytes. Studies reveal that deficiencies in these vitamins impair melanocyte function and accelerate graying. Vitamin B12 deficiency is especially linked to premature graying, with research showing that correcting low B12 levels can partially restore hair color in some people within 3 to 6 months. Think about those days when you feel exhausted, foggy-headed, and notice your hair looking dull and more gray. These could all be signs of B vitamin deficiencies affecting not just your energy and cognition, but also your melanocyte function. Research demonstrates that B vitamins work synergistically, meaning you need adequate levels of all of them for optimal melanin production and overall cellular health. The best food sources of vitamin B12 for melanin production include animal products, as B12 is not available from plant sources. Studies show that clams, beef liver, salmon, tuna, eggs, and dairy all provide substantial B12. Just 3 ounces of clams delivers over 3,000% of your daily B12 needs. For vegetarians and vegans, nutritional yeast fortified with B12 and supplements are essential since B12 deficiency inevitably leads to health problems including premature graying. Leafy green vegetables provide folate, another B vitamin critical for melanocyte function and DNA synthesis. Research demonstrates that spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard all deliver substantial folate along with antioxidants that protect melanocytes from oxidative stress. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides approximately 60% of daily folate needs, making it one of the most efficient sources. Whole grains including oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat provide B vitamins including biotin and B6 that support melanin synthesis. Studies show that biotin deficiency, while rare, can contribute to hair problems including loss of pigmentation. Ensuring adequate biotin intake through whole grains, eggs, and nuts supports melanocyte health and proper hair growth cycles. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not know about these melanin-boosting foods that can help reverse gray hair naturally. The fourth critical category involves foods high in antioxidants that protect melanocytes from the oxidative stress and free radical damage that accelerates premature graying. Research from oxidative medicine journals shows that melanocytes are particularly vulnerable to oxidative damage because the melanin production process itself generates reactive oxygen species. The mechanism involves hydrogen peroxide and other oxidative compounds accumulating in hair follicles as we age or when antioxidant defenses are overwhelmed. Studies reveal that this oxidative stress damages melanocyte DNA, impairs their function, and eventually kills these pigment-producing cells. Once melanocytes are destroyed, that hair follicle can no longer produce pigmented hair, resulting in permanent graying. Think about the cumulative damage happening to your melanocytes every day from sun exposure, pollution, stress, poor diet, and normal metabolic processes. Research demonstrates that without adequate dietary antioxidants to neutralize these free radicals, melanocyte damage accelerates and graying happens earlier and faster than it would with optimal antioxidant protection from your diet. The enzyme catalase is particularly important for protecting melanocytes from hydrogen peroxide buildup. Studies show that catalase activity decreases with age, allowing hydrogen peroxide to accumulate and literally bleach hair from the inside. Foods that support catalase production or provide antioxidants that work similarly help protect against this internal bleaching effect. The best antioxidant-rich foods for protecting melanocytes include berries, particularly blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries, which contain anthocyanins and other polyphenol. Research demonstrates that these compounds neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and protect cells, including melanocytes, from oxidative damage. Studies show that regular berry consumption of 1 to 2 cups daily supports overall cellular health. Green tea is exceptionally rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress throughout your body. Research reveals that the HCG in green tea is one of the most potent antioxidants available from dietary sources. Studies demonstrate that green tea consumption of 3 to 4 cups daily reduces oxidative damage throughout the body, including in hair follicles where melanocytes reside. Dark leafy greens including kale, spinach, and Swiss chard provide multiple antioxidants including lutein and various flavonoids. Research shows these compounds work synergistically to protect cells from free radical damage. Herbs and spices are concentrated sources of antioxidants that can dramatically boost your intake. Research reveals that turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant spices available. The biggest food mistake that's actually destroying your melanin production and accelerating gray hair is consuming excessive sugar and refined carbohydrates that create inflammation and oxidative stress throughout your body, including in your hair follicles. Here's the critical truth that most people miss. You can eat all the copper-rich foods, tyrosine sources, and antioxidants you want, but if you're simultaneously flooding your system with sugar and processed carbs, you're creating so much cellular damage that you cancel out the benefits. The mechanism involves high blood sugar causing glycation, a process where sugar molecules bind to proteins and fats, creating advanced glycation end products or AGEs. Research shows that AGEs generate massive oxidative stress and inflammation that damages cells throughout your body, including melanocytes. Studies demonstrate that people with consistently high blood sugar from poor dietary choices experience accelerated aging of all tissues, including premature graying. Think about what happens every time you eat a high-sugar meal or snack. Your blood sugar spikes, insulin surges, inflammation increases throughout your body, and free radicals multiply exponentially. Research demonstrates that this repeated metabolic stress damages melanocyte DNA, impairs their function, and accelerates the graying process regardless of how many melanin-supporting foods you eat at other times. The inflammatory cascade triggered by sugar consumption is particularly harmful to delicate melanocytes. Studies show that sugar activates inflammatory pathways that produce cytokines and other inflammatory molecules that directly harm melanocytes and impair their ability to produce melanin. Research reveals that chronic low-grade inflammation from poor diet is one of the primary drivers of premature aging, including early graying. The solution is drastically reducing or eliminating added sugars, sugary beverages, candy, baked goods, and refined carbohydrates including white bread, white rice, and pasta made from refined flour. Studies demonstrate that people who maintain stable blood sugar through eating whole foods, adequate protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates experience better cellular health, including preserved melanocyte function and delayed graying. Another critical mistake is not consuming enough overall calories and protein when trying to eat healthily. Research shows that restrictive dieting and inadequate protein intake impair melanocyte function because these cells need energy and amino acids to produce melanin continuously. Studies demonstrate that chronic calorie restriction and very low protein diets accelerate hair graying along with other signs of premature aging. If this video helped you understand foods that increase melanin and reverse gray hair naturally, please share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about natural hair health. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos that could help you maintain your natural hair color. Thanks for watching and trusting me to share these melanin-boosting foods backed by science. I'll see you in the next video.